Oh my gosh, I just made it on my cruise, the Carnival Horizon, and just walked in my room. It's a pretty quaint, cute room. I have an ocean view room, number 1326. You know what? Let me just stop talking about it. Let me just show you what it looks like. But first, for those of you who are new to my channel and are back, welcome or welcome back. My name is Rokia, also known as MsQueenRo. If you're interested in anything life, career, and travel, well, you stepped at the right place. And currently, I'm on travel. I'm always cruising, usually solo cruising. Now, before I get settled in, because the sister's tired from traveling, let's go ahead and do this room tour. First thing you want to do is open the door. Here is front of the front of the room. And as a reminder, if you do not know where your muster station is, it is always located on the back of the door with all the other instructions and safety instructions. This room particularly has B5, that is deck 5 on the promenade, and that is where your muster station is, just in cases of an emergency or if you need to go listen to it really quickly. You want to make sure to put a card in the slot here, otherwise the electricity will not come on. Now moving on, let's actually usually end up with the bathroom, but let's start with the bathroom. What I like about this room, it does have more than one space. What do I mean? Let me show you. So one side of the bathroom has the toilet, stand-up shower with shampoo and shower gel, and the sink. Pretty spacious. I mean, 2 people could fit in here if you needed to, but you don't really need to because we have another space. Let's go to the other part of the bathroom. Ta-da! Look at this. So this has a tub if you want to soak, with another shower, so you do not have to wait for the other person to get out. So I do like that part. And because I'm sharing a room with my cousin, this is going to work out perfectly. And it has its own sink and own shelving. So that looks pretty nice. Again, not really sure 2 people can fit comfortably in this part, but I guess if you had to, you could. We have 2 sets of closets. Here's one with a set of hangers. I think this is a shelf. Yep, it's a shelf. It comes down. Here's another side with hangers. Here's a mirror. Another set. This one has drawers that you can put things in. The safe. Safe is kind of small. You can put your necessities, wallet, maybe a small tablet or laptop. And then a couple of shelvings. Moving over to some more shelvings on this side, you have your desk area. And I assume this is the refrigerator. Yep, pretty nice size. A drawer with the dryer. There's a stool under here. There's water. I do assume that you have to pay for that water, so beware. Now turning around, we have the bed. Sofa. I think the sofa is a pull-out sofa. I'm pretty sure it is, actually, but we're not going to need it. Table. I mean, the fact that it has a sofa, I do love that part. And those are drawers at the bottom, actually, as well, for more storage. Now looking at the bed, plenty of space to store your luggage. 2 twin beds, because like I said, I'm sharing a room with my cousin. One end table that has a little door that you can put stuff in. And then in the corner here, there's another end table, if you can see it. Ocean view room. ocean view window, picture window. There's Miami. Now turning around, this is actually a connector room. I'm going to be honest, did not realize that when I booked it. I'm not too fond of connecting rooms unless I know it's going to be like a family member staying on the other side. So this definitely will stay locked, but just know you can have a connector door if need be. Pretty nice sized TV. I'm thinking this is, I don't know, not good measurement. Maybe a 42 maybe. Oh, it has her name on there. Yeah. Welcome, Rokia and William. Nice. Oh, let's go back to the desk because I did not point out the plugs. Let's see how many outlets we have. One European outlet. Okay, two American. So that works out well. But then we also have two USB ports. So that's cool. That's enough. And a phone. All right, so let me pan so you can just get a feel of how big this room is. And please go check some other videos out of my channel. I have plenty of career tips that I'm offering free. So just go check out this video here, or maybe this one for you. So you can just kind of, get some tips for your career, your job, maybe even small business. Or if travel is your thing, I have plenty of travel vlogs on here. So just make sure you click on maybe this one, or maybe this one. Either one will keep you of interest. Thank you for subscribing. I really greatly appreciate it. But until next time.